chapter, I'll be showing you how to set up your web page. Don't forget, a website consists of multiple pages that are linked together. So, if you set up your page properties right, you are sure of getting other pages right. So, this is where we set the type of fonts to be used on our website, the font color, the background image, and so on. This is also where you set your links, properties, your headings, your titles, as you will learn later in this tutorial. So let's get started. Our first step is to go down to the bottom of the page and click on page properties. Yeah, this is where you define the font that you want to use for your website, and the size of the font, the color of the text, the background color if you want the background color for your website, and if you want an image to be the background of your website, this is where you choose the image that you want to use as your background. You can repeat the image if you want the images to be tiled around to form a background. You can, this is where you choose if you want that image to be repeated. That is talking about background image. Then if you want a left margin or a right margin or a top margin or a bottom margin. So let's just get started. I have a font that I usually use. I love using this. These are the fonts really. So if you can choose any fonts that you like, but bear it in mind that the font you choose has to be readable by online visitors. So you just don't go look for a font that is hard to read. Um, Verdana is a good choice for me, but as it is right now, you've not really chosen the font that you want. You can come here, click on Edit Font, then choose the font that you want from a list. You can just click on this. Okay, this Verdana. I want Verdana. I can simply just type it here. That's it. Then you click on this button, then it comes to your left. This means this is the chosen font. This is the font that I've chosen to use all through my website. So all I just need to do is to click on OK. Yeah, I have set Verdana for my font for my website. The size I like to use 0.12 pixels. Except if I want to do headlines or topics or titles, that's where I can use 14. But for normal text, I prefer 12. Then my text color, let me just leave it at black. Then my background color, I don't really like much of background colors because when you look at the websites that I have built in the past, I have always learned to maintain a white background. This is what is called the background. So just you might want to add background to your design or have a background color, but I just love the contrast that the white backgrounds give to my designs. So I think I'll leave that as white. Background color, just leave it at white. Um, Background image. If you want a background image, for instance, let's just do something. Let's do something. Let's look for a background image. Yeah, you can. If you already have an image on your desktop that you want to use as background, let's just try something out. Let's just try something out. Let me look into my desktop and see if I have some images that I can use. Assuming I want to use the UK flag as my background. See, it says to take a document relative path, your document should be saved first. This means that this image will automatically be saved in the folder that was created when I defined my website. So if I click on OK right now, um, as you can see, the file is outside the root folder of Site Home Affairs. This is asking for permission to save this image into my folder, into the folder that was created on my documents while we were setting up the site. And you can see the importance of setting up, defining your site rather. The folder that was initially created is now where all the images and all the web files that I'm creating will be saved automatically. So as you can see, would you like to copy the file there now? You click on yes, yes, You can name it, or you can rename it, or leave it as it is. Click on save. And left margin, I love to leave the left margin at 100. I always want space to the left and to the right. And to my right margin, I leave it 100 pixels as well. So when you click on apply, as you can see, um, because I chose a background image for my website, and you can see the image displayed on my page. I don't really like this because it will somehow contrast with my with the text on my website. So let me just leave this place blank. um, I'm taking it off right now. I don't want any image. I don't want any background image. I want it blank. So you click on apply and OK, and it becomes white. So I have succeeded in setting up my page. I have succeeded in setting up my page, and I believe you're following suit as well. Now, if I type any font, um, this website is fantastic. For instance, you can see the font highlighted here is Verdana, and that is how all the fonts that will be used on this website will look like, because I have chosen Verdana as my default page font. All the text on my website will come with Verdana, and the size is 12. As you can see, it's black. The text color is black. I didn't put any background color. I didn't add any background image. I created a left margin of 100. That's why you have the space here, and the right margin to 100. So if I'm to type a whole lot of letterings to my right, it will definitely stop somewhere around here, because I have chosen 100 pixel as my right margin. So automatically I have set up my page properties right now. So I think I'm going to stop there, and in next class we will be designing our first web page. This is very, very important. You have to set up your page properties first before you can design a web page. This is very, very important. It's very, very important. So let's go ahead in the next class and design our first web page. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.